Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change time zone and region in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and now you want to change your time zone, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for General Management tab on it. From here, just select date and time, and then you must have to disable the setting which is automatic time zone. Just disable it. Then tab on select time zone, and here select region, and here you just have to select the region which you want. For example, I'm going to select this one. Just tap on it, and here in this here you can easily change your region, that's like that. So that's how you can easily change your time zone and region in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.